Question 14. It's 4 marks question. It's compound interest and it's calculate aloud. The question says Andrew invest £3,000 in an account for 3 years at 2.4% compound interest. This is important. Per year. At the end of the 3 years, a deduction of 40% of the total interest is made from the account. Work out the amount in the account at the end of the 3 years. That's a very nice question. So to make you understand this, we will first need to know how much profit he get, how much interest he got in these 3 years. And then we will add that to the 3,000. Before we add it, we will take away 40% of the interest. So let's do that. So the compound interest formula, you need to know this, is the final amount is equal to the original amount, which is 3,000, times 1 plus, if it's increase it's plus, if it's decrease it's minus. So the percent, 1 plus the percent, which is 2.4, divide that by 100 and raise all this to the power of the years. How many years is it? 3 years, and then it's per year. Yep, so you raise it to the number of years, so it's to the power of 3 because it's 3 years. That's very good. Now just bring your calculator and plug that in. You will get, I'm just doing it now, to the power of 3. That gave me 3,221.22. If it's money, you always round to 2 decimal places. Oh, it's 0.23 because the answer is 0.225472. So I'll take the first 2 digits because it's money. So this is 5. This will increase by 1. So the correct answer is 0.23. This is nice. Now we got the first part. The second part says a deduction of 40% of the total interest is made. So what's the interest now? This guy invested 3,000 and then at the end of the 3 years it's 3,221. That means the profit is 221.23, isn't it? Since we deducted 40%, that means we can do times 0.6. What did I do now? We deducted 40%. That means we kept 60% for him, right? That's why I did times 0.6. So now let's do that. 221.23 times 0.6. That gave me 132.74. Now what will be in his account is 3,000 plus the 132, 3,132.74. That's the amount of money will be in his account. Now if you don't want to do it this way, you can also do, we got the profit, which is 221. You can do 221.23 times the deduction, which is 0.4, and that gives you 221.23 times 0.4. That gives you 88.49. This is what they deducted. So you can do now 221.23 minus 88.49. Plug that in your calculator and it gives you 221.23 minus 88.49. That gives you 132.74, which is exactly the amount we got here. So it's up to you. You can do it this way because they deducted 40%. So that means we kept 60% for him. We didn't deduct 60%. You can do it directly like that. You can do the deduction and then deduct it from the total profit. And that's it. So how much in his account after 3 years? It's this amount. 3,132.74. Was it easy? Now let's look at question 15. Oh, simultaneous equations. That looks fun. Let's do it.